All right, guys. Let's see which equation doesn't belong. Okay? We're going to give you a minute. Or 2 minutes, I'm sorry. We'll give you 2 minutes to work this out. Let's go. Hey, it's hard to answer the questions if you don't write it down. Okay? I said, let's work it out on the back of that piece of paper. Please work it out there. Thanks, Kenny, for working. Good job, David. Chanel, you gotta write it down. No, let's not draw. Let's write it down quickly. Okay? Yes, ma'am. Right, you gotta grab the sheet. Okay? You can grab this. Please work it on the back of there. Okay? Eden, are you going to work? Hey, don't work with your eyes, John. You need to start using your pencil. All right. We ready? Who thinks it's A? Raise your hand. Nobody thinks it's A? Who thinks it's B? Raise your hand. So I have one B. Who thinks, oh God, two B's. Who thinks it's C? Raise your hand. Who thinks it's D? Who doesn't care? Raise your hand. I have three people that didn't raise their hand. How far did you get? It's not on the paper. I said we're doing it on the back. It's our warm-up. Now, you got to listen. We got to listen. Let's do this real quick. David, distribute this through. What do we have right here? Hey, guys, if you see distributive property, we're always doing that first. Okay? Distributive property. 4x. Yes? Plus 12. That's the 4x plus 12. Equals 9. We didn't touch that, so we just drop it down. Now, this one is different, right? Is that correct? So we know that those two are different. Can you guys see that? How many x's do I have here, Mariah? How many x's do I have right here, Mariah? 4 x's. There's one x, but that 4 means there's 4 of them. How many x's do I have here? We just said it. Yeah, that's 3. So they're not the same. Is that correct? They're different. Eden, what's 4 times x? It's not a trick question. Put them together. 4x. I didn't touch the 12, so what do I do when you don't touch it, Eden? Just bring it down. Good. So you just bring it down. How many here? 4x. I'm just going to write it the other way. Plus what? Plus 12 equals 9. I didn't touch anything. I just rearranged it. I could rearrange that around, right? Which one's different? Now we see it, right? Mariah, what do we have? That's Ms. Area. Oh, is that Chase? Okay. What's up, Chase? Hey, get ready, and let's get ready to go. Okay? Hey, once I do that, it's difficult, right? We can see which one is different. Anyone have a question? We good? Question? Mariah, you okay? All right. So let's take a look here. So guys, today what we're going to do is we will explore writing and solving equations using tape diagrams. So we did it our last class period, but we started the tape diagrams, or we did the tape diagrams, and we're writing equations, and then we're trying to solve them. We're trying to solve them. All right. Chase, you good? All right. Hey, can somebody read it for me? Mariah, thank you. Go ahead. Hey, well, let's stop for a second. Hey, you either have to be looking here or you have to be looking at the paper, okay? Because these are hard to understand. They're hard to understand for Mr. Park if I don't look at them. So if I'm just not paying attention, we're not going to get it. And for you to just write it down after I write it down or someone writes down, it's not going to help. You got to understand what it's asking. Go ahead, Mariah. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw the tape diagram on the left, and we'll solve it on the right. This is what we did last class period, okay?
At this time, teachers, please relieve all seventh graders who earned their excellence recognition to the main office. Thank you.
So please, everybody, draw that tape diagram on the left, okay? What's the total, Mariah? Keep it going. What's the total? Okay, so this is my total. So on the total, we're going to put on the bottom, okay? That's $159. Is that correct? So listen, everything in the box has to equal what, Eden? 159. Everything there is going to have to equal 159. What do we know that we paid? Chase, I paid something. What have I paid? No, that's tickets. What have I paid? I paid $15 fee. Is that correct? Do this. $15. I know I paid that. So that's our fixed cost. That's no matter how many people come, we have to pay that parking. Do we know how much they paid? Total. Do I know how much each person paid? That was the question. Mariah, right? So if we unknown, what's unknown? X. Okay? So 8 people paid X amount. So I could break how many spots? 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we said each spot is a what? Unknown X. Thank you, Mariah. We got it right there. Is anyone confused so far? We good, Kenny? Right. So, hey, now we just make this into an equation. Okay? We make the equation. Chanel, how many X's do I have? 8. 8x. What's the amount that I paid? It's a flat fee that I paid, Kenny. What was the flat fee that I paid? No, that was a total. 15. I had to pay a parking fee of $15, right? So I had to pay 8 individual tickets. So this is 8 tickets plus the $15 in parking. And what's the total amount that I paid, Mariah? Again? 159. Hey, we're here, guys. We know what to do from here, right? If we don't, I'm going to show you. So look right here. Draw the line if you have to. And remember, everything on the side of the X is where we're going. Okay? Bella, What's not touching the x right here? The 8 or the 15? Okay, the 15. Bella said the 15. So I'm going to go to the 15 first. Chase, what's the opposite of adding 15? Taking away how much? No, opposite of adding 15. Subtracting how much? 15. Okay. Hey guys, remember what I was saying. If you do that, that's just to cancel it out. That's just a all right. So out. What's 159 minus 15? Anybody? Kenny. 144. I didn't touch it, so I just drop it. I didn't touch the 8x, so I just drop it. Okay? Hey, remember, the 8 is next to the x. What operation is going on right here? We are adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. What are we doing? So I'm adding the 8 and the x. What's going on here, guys? If a variable is next to a number, what operation? Adding. Are we adding here? Is that 8 plus x? We're not. Are we subtracting? Are we dividing? Are we multiplying? What do we think? Okay, good. We're multiplying. So this is 8 times x. What's the opposite of multiplying by 8? Dividing by how much? 8. Divided by 8. That's how I get the x by itself. Divided by 8. And remember, we're doing this to cancel it out and get rid of it. Okay? If I do it on one side, I have to do it on the other. Okay? What's 144 divided by 8? Can somebody help me with that? 18. 18, that's it, guys. So this is what happens. So take a look, Mariah. If I do 15 plus 18, look, I'll put an 18 here, 18 here, 18 here, 18 here, 18, how many times? 8 times. And I add all of these numbers together, I am going to get what, Mariah? You don't add them. 159. Right? 159. So that's a way you can go back and check it too. So if you're not sure, you can go back and check it. Right there. Good job, guys. Good job. Let's make sure we're writing. Oh, you're writing it down there? Okay. How's this one looking? Horrible? Hey, just remember, guys, these are the two things. If it's not touching the x, I do that one first. Okay? Right now, that's what we're doing first. And secondly, remember, when a letter is next to a number, that's multiplying. So the opposite is dividing. All right? Any questions on this one? All right. So this one's going to be more of, I'm going to help you walk it, but I want you guys to be more engaged and tell me what to do. All right? So Claire, 5 other family members. How many people do we have? 5. Claire and 5 other. 6. Thank you, Mariah. So that's 6 people. Okay? Go. Is how much is total cost? 684. So that's. I draw a tape diagram, which I'm just going to do this. How much is on the bottom? What's the total? 680. Okay. That's a total. It tells me right here. A $12 per person. So how many times are we paying that $12 fee if it's per person? How many times will we pay that fee? Per person. How many people do we have? 6. Okay, so we're paying that fee how many times probably? 6 times. 6 times. To rent float vest. So look, I got to rent the float vest and I got to pay for the jet ski. So I got to pay for two different things. Determine the total cost per person to rent a jet ski. Okay? So I got to pay the jet ski and the float. Do we know how much the float cost?
No.
It says it. $12 per person. Do we know the jet ski cost? No. What do we represent the jet ski cost as? X. Okay? And this says how much? 12. Right? Somebody help me. How many spots am I going to need? Mr. Park's finished now. Y'all tell me what we need to do. How many spots do I need to break up here?
6.
Where do you get that from, Chase? 6 people, and everybody's going to pay a certain amount. So we'll break this up into 6 spots. Good, Chase. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Good. What are the 2 things they have to pay for, Kenny? What are the 2 things they have to pay for? Okay, the fee, the jet skiing fee, and what else? No, what are they paying? We know how many people there are. What are they paying? The jet ski fee, right? What else are they paying? Okay. How much is a jet ski? Do we know? What do we represent it as up there? How much is it? How much does it cost to go jet skiing per person? X. Right? How much is it to do a vest? So am I adding it to the X or am I subtracting it from the X? Adding it, because it's another cost. So each person, right? Is that right? Put that in every box? Or do I only put it in one box? Am I going to do that in one box? What am I doing in the other boxes? Somebody help Kenny. What do we got, Chase? Same thing in every box. Right? Everybody's paying the same. Everybody's going to pay the same. So I'm going to do this. Right? Is that fair?
Attention students and staff, at this time, we'd like to have all of our 8th graders who earned their excellence to report to the main office. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is all about organization. Once you organize it, there's only like 2 or 3 steps that you have to do. So it won't be difficult. We just have to figure out, am I organizing it correctly? Am I writing it down correctly? Am I understanding the material? So if we write this algebraically, how many people do we have, Chase?
6.
Can somebody tell me how to write it? And let me give you a hint. I'll give you a hint because we haven't done this yet. Or we've done something similar, but with this type of equation, it's the first one. We have to use the distributive property. What do we think? How am I going to write that equation? Anybody? I know this happens how many times? 6 times. So how do we write that? 6? The whole thing happens 6 times though. So this has to be put together. This is it's like one equation right here. One expression, x plus 12. So that x plus 12 has to stay together. How can I make it stay together? What can I put around it to make it stay together? Parentheses. So look, if I do this, that makes all that stay together. Right? They have to pay for the jet ski. They have to pay for the flotation device. How many times does it happen? How many? Count them. 6 times. So I have to multiply times 6. Okay? And what does it equal? What does it equal? It's down there, guys. 684. Okay? Hey, we're back to distributing David. Hey guys, and please don't forget this. Look, you see that I can't forget the sign. 6 times positive 12 is 72. So positive same as plus, right? Plus. Back to this now. I think we can figure it out from here. Right? Chanel, what's the first thing we're doing? We're going to put the x by itself. So find what's not touching the x. What is it? 72. What's the opposite of positive 72 or plus 72? Minus what? Minus 72. Okay? We can? Yep. If that makes you feel better, yes, sir. You can do it. Chanel, if I do it here, what else do I have to do? Huh? If I minus 72 on one side, I have to do what? Other side. Can somebody give me 684 minus 72? These cancel out. I didn't do anything with the 6x, so I'm going to drop it down. What's 684 minus 72? Somebody, anybody, who's going to help me? Thank you, Kenny. Eden, you're my calculator, man. What are you doing? What are you doing, bro? You're always my calculator, man, but you don't want to work today. Your finger's broken? Come on, man. 600. No? 6, yeah. You might just hit the wrong number. 612? Yeah, 612. Okay? That's correct. 612. What do we do next? Kenny, tell me what we do next. Divide by what? Yeah, we divide by 6. Why? We're doing the opposite of multiplying by 6. Good job, Kenny. Do we do it? Am I finished on this side now? What do I have to do? What else? Same thing on both sides, right? So x equals, what's 612 divided by 6? 100 and what? 102. So 102 is what? How much it costs to rent a jet ski, right? So this is basically it's 102 plus 12. So that's $114 per person. So if I add all of these together, somebody do 114 times 6. Somebody give me a 114 times 6. Mariah, are you doing it for me? 114 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 684. Did we get the right answer? Yes. Right? Good? Good. Hey, so we're going to set this up, okay? And while we're doing this, what I would like everyone to do is we're working on it on our own. Chanel, head up for me, please. Okay? We're working it on our own. Everybody's working individually on this, or with me, or if you want to talk with someone next, what is that? You guys go quick. Hey, Bella, let's just read this first. Bella, just listen. You can stay there, but listen to it while we read it and then go, okay? It'll be like 1 minute. Chanel, can you read it for me? Uh-huh. Okay, you got it, Bella? Okay, go to the restroom quickly and come back. All right, so let's see what we have, and then we're working. Hey, we're going to draw our tape diagram on one side, okay? Make sure you got your tape diagram. And what I want here, I want everybody to draw the tape diagram, and I need you to write a total of what is being paid, okay? And then I need you to break this up and then tell me how many pieces it needs to be broken up into, and then we're going to move on. What do you got? Okay. Good, good. You two are right. Good, Kenny. How much is the total? What do you got, Eden? Good, Chase. So now break it up into the number of pieces. Break it up into how many pieces you need to break it up into. Okay? Usually it's how many people are there. That might usually be it. So once you've broken it up, raise your hand and I'm going to come check. How many pieces we got to break that up into? The tape diagram. Remember, guys, this tape diagram needs to be broken up into several pieces, right? So Chase, you ready? Good job. Good job. We don't need a calculator now, though. What's the total? What's the total amount being paid?
$3.
No, what's the total?
104.
No, it says it right here, right? Total cost. Let's write it down. Write it down. Good. Good. 1, 2. Where'd you get 7 from? How many you got, Kenny? How many people are there? How many? Huh? No, that's $3 off, but how many people are there? 8. So how many should it probably be? Good, good, good. All right, so how many tickets are we buying, guys? 8. We're buying 8 tickets. So how many does this need to be broken up into? 8. Yes?
To the 7th grade office.
I'm sorry, could you say it one more time? Chase?
8.
Okay, we're sending them. We're sending them.
Thank you.
There's 8. Is that correct? And what do you guys say this one was for? Or Mariah? What was down here? Huh? The total. Say it. How much? How much was it? 104. Okay? Here we go. What's over here now? How much did they pay? How much did they pay for the ticket? Do we know the ticket cost? Do we know the ticket? It says $3 off. Do we know how much each ticket cost? No. So what do we say that is? We say that's the X. And then how much do they get off each ticket? So is it going to be adding 3 or subtracting 3? Okay, so this is going to be a -3. Think about what goes in each box now. Everybody write what goes in each box. A ticket minus the, what? The discount. Let's see if we can put it in there. Eden, let's go, buddy. Let's go. If you got it, raise your hand. How many should this be, Kenny? We got 8 boxes up there, right? Hmm? No, that's not correct, though. 3X. No, that's not right. I'm sorry? It's not set up correctly. Just break that up into 8 boxes for me, all right? And you'll see, you jump forward, but you'll see once we do it what we have. Anybody know what goes in the box? Chanel's got it. Good job, Chanel. David's got it. 2 people. What do you have? Goes the other way. Switch the order. Right? Switch the order. You have it yet? Can you break this up into 8 boxes? That's only 4 boxes. Right? David, what do you got? That's the cost of the ticket, and then how much you get off each ticket? $3. So that's for each person. I pay for the ticket and I get $3. So if we all go, he'll pay for his ticket, get $3 off. She'll pay for a ticket, get $3 off. Pay for a ticket, $3 off. That's for everybody, right? So that's for everybody. Okay? Hey, please solve it algebraically. It's very similar to the last problem. Okay? It's very similar to the last problem. Let's go ahead and work it out, guys. Do we need to write it down over here first? Yes? Chanel, what do we have to do? How many people do we... What's the cost for one person? We just said it. What's the cost for one person? No, what's the cost for one person? That's 8 people. What's the cost for one person? X minus 3. And remember, we got to keep that together, right? If we keep it together, what do we need to do, Chanel? If we keep it together, what do we need to do? Grab the door for me. Huh? Put it in parentheses. How many people do we have? Can you close the door for me, Bella? 8. So you multiply that times the 8. What's the total? 104. Good. Please solve that. Please solve that. That'll be your answer. Bella, can you please make sure you get everything on the board written down? Okay? We good? Let me know when you got it. Uh-huh. What do you need? No, so look, what you're doing is you're multiplying the 8 times x, right? Now you got to multiply 8 times the negative 3. See, these are 2 different parts. That's one part. That's the second part, right? 8 times x is what? 8x, 8 times negative 3. Put it in the calculator, okay? You get it? You finish it off for me. You're on pace. Equals 104, right? Now you got to finish the algebra part. You got it, Mom? What was that? We wrote it down over here. You didn't even write it down, right? Oh, you wrote it here? Write it down here. Write it on this side. Now we got to solve it. We got to look. This is 2 different parts, right? I circled the 2 different parts. You see that? Circle. So what's 8 times x?
8x.
And write it down. Write it down. What's 8 times negative 3? Write it down. Yeah, tell me. No, 8 times negative 3 is not that. You did. Equals 104. Here we go, guys. Hey, What's 8 times x? Eden. Hey, remember, these are two different parts. Equals 104. Hey, we're back. We're used to now. We can do this. Subtracting 24. Add 24. We add 24. Now, multiplying. What's opposite multiplying by 8? Instead of multiplying, what's opposite? What opposite of adding is subtraction? What's opposite of multiplying? What's opposite of dividing? Multiplying. So opposite multiplying by 8 is what? Dividing by what? 8. Okay? Good. So do that to both sides. X equals, what's 128 divided by 8, guys? 128 divided by 8. 16. There's my answer, guys. 16. Okay? So if you look at the bottom of your sheet, all right, there's going to be a formative, a quick formative. Okay? Please look at that. Answer the question. I'm come check you as you're doing it. Everybody, it's right on the bottom of your sheet. Can you finish this first? Because we're about to do some group stuff in a second. Huh? Can I bring it here? Let me take a look at it. Go quickly before we start the group one. Kenny, you have 3 minutes, all right? 3 minutes. If you got it, raise your hand. Let me take a look. I'm hoping we don't need that much time. I'm going to give you 2 minutes for this, okay? Let's get 2 minutes. Bella, where are you going? All right, let's go. Hey, let's not keep getting up, Bella, okay? Get everything you need right at the beginning of class. Eden, you got it? We're working on that bottom one. Hey, there's not a lot of calculations to do. We just have to see what's the right equation. Okay? I don't think you need a calculator, Mariah. Look and organize. It's asking how to organize that question. Good job. Good job. Mariah? No. Look at it again. Look at it one more time for me. Why don't you look at it one more time for me? Remember, this is together. Oh, my goodness. Chanel, threw your pencil. Look, this is a group, right? So a ticket plus the snack, right? Remember, that's for each person. Okay, now figure out what you need to do. Same thing what I told. A ticket plus the snack. How much is a snack? Not 6. How much is a snack?
3.
Okay, so those have to be grouped together. That's a per person. This is a per person thing. A ticket plus the snack. Find what your answer is going to be. Hey guys, for that question, what do we have to do? Chanel, head up for me. The ticket costs what? X, right? How much is a snack? Plus 3. So those are grouped together. How many people do we have, Mariah? 6. What's the total cost, David?
It's
24.
24.
There's your answer. Well, so what's the answer? C. Okay? So this is what we're going to do, guys. I'm going to give, hey, we're in groups of 2. Everybody's in groups of 2. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a card sort. Okay? And what I need you to do is there's going to be 4 different ones. I need you to put them in order that they're supposed to be in. I'll bring it up here and I'll explain it to you, maybe. Erase. So this is what we're going to do. We'll wait till Kenny gets in. Eden, can you hurry up so I can explain it one time? All right. Hey, guys, have a seat. We're going to go over this real quick. So I'll have one group of 3, okay, and 2 groups of 2. One group of 3 and 2 groups of 2. Kenny, have a seat. Eden, Chase, have a seat. So what I need you to do is I need you to find the scenario. So there's 4 scenarios, okay? Everybody see? Then you're going to tape that goes with that scenario. And then you're going to the algebraic equation and you're going to find the solution. Okay? Does everybody see this? So you're going to be given something like this. Please put it on. And then finish. If you finish, and then come check it off. Okay? So who's going to be a group of 3? I need 2 groups of 2. You want to be a group of 3? Who you want? Everybody wants to be a group of 3? Let's do this. Let's count them off. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. No, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Who's our ones or go over there? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, ones are going.
No, I'm a 2. Wait.
No, I should have did it this way. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay? Just please have a seat. Have a seat. Look, listen. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Okay? Ones go over there. Ones go over here. You're a 1, David. Go. Bella, you're a 1. Go over there. What are you? 2? Are you a 2, right? Come on, guys. You're a 2. Yes. Yes. You're 3s. So you guys go back here. Take that.
So there's only 2 3s?
Here. You guys take that back there and take this back here. You can go back here. Okay. Hey guys, we have 10 minutes. Let's go. We have less than 10 minutes.
Where am I?
You want to get together? David, Bella, pull your chair up right here for me, okay? Face it this way so everybody can see it, okay? Why don't you come over this? Yeah, slide over a little bit, okay? You guys want to be next to each other. Can you see it like that? Hey, if you could finish it in 10 minutes, that's our goal, okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll come help you guys if anyone's having any trouble. So I would put all of these together and then put all the solutions together and put all of these. Bella, let's work. You don't need that right now. So look, find one of these. So it says 5 students. Find any one. Which one you want to do? Look, Lynn had 90 flyers to hang up around the school. So what's the total?
90.
90. Find one with a total of 90. Which one has a total of 90? Okay? Put all the 90s together. What else? Find the tape diagram with the 90. See, all these are 90s, right? The two tape diagrams were 90, and the two equations were 90. So find which one is this one. So you had the two lens, right? So find which one goes with these two. Okay? What? There's only 3 solutions, guys, if that's what you're looking for. What are you looking for? You probably want to read the scenario first. Okay? Yeah. Okay?
Hey, you said put the scenarios up.
Scenario should be at the top. Did you get it? You got to read it. We got to read the whole thing. Okay? Because both of them have 90. So it says, after giving the same number of flyers to each of 3 volunteers. So how many people are here? 3. She had 12 left to hang up herself. So 3, and then there's a 12. Right. You have to look here. There's 3, and then she hung up 12. 3 different people, and then 12. So how many different boxes are we going to have? 1, 2, 3, and she did her 12. Chanel. One person, 2 people, 3 people, and she hung up 12. How many boxes do we have then? Probably. Mariah, did you hear what I just said? So which one of those 2 are probably going to be it? You're not even looking. I mean, you're looking over here right now. Okay, so which one does this go with then? The one we just read. Which one did we read? Okay. So the 3 people did it, and then the 12, right? So these go together. Kenny, are you guys working?
Yeah,
Okay, let's go. Yes. What's up?
so we don't know what to do with these.
You got to solve it. You guys already finished it up?
Most of it.
Let me see. Lynn, you got to solve it. You got to solve what this is. So you need to go get a pencil or paper and then solve that and find y equals, and that'll be your answer. David, does that make sense? You got to solve these equations, and then you'll get a solution, and that's where you put it under here. Okay? You know, just like we've been doing. The same thing, just like we've been doing. Hey, you need something to solve the equations, guys. Good. That's correct. Good. Those are correct. Now you got to figure those 2 out, which one those are. Okay? So, hey guys, look at this. It says, Lynn had 90 flyers. After giving the same number of flyers to each of 3 volunteers, she had 12 left to hang by herself. So how many people hung up flyers?
12. I mean,
No.
sorry.
Think
90.
about this. No, that's how many flyers. How many people hung up flyers? So after giving the same number of flyers to 3 volunteers, look, she had 12 left to hang up by herself. How many different people hung up flyers? 4, right? 3 people and Lynn. So how many boxes do we need? How many boxes do we need?
3, 4,
3 and herself.
4,
What do you guys put it under?
3.
Okay. Maybe that one's not right then. That one's not right then. Okay? Does that one match this? Do those match? Yes. You got to solve this. Solve it. 5x plus 2 equals 27. How do we solve that? Remember? We do the opposite. You got to get something and then solve the equation. So Write it down. Look, 5x plus 2 equals 27. What do we do here? Chanel, what do we do here? Remember, if it's touching the x, we do it last. What are we doing now, Mariah? What's not, guys, what's not touching the x?
8.
That's a 2. That's a 2. So what do we have to do here? Opposite of plus 2. If it's not touching it, what's opposite of plus 2?
Negative.
Okay, please do that to both sides and then figure it out. Okay? Figure that out. That's how we've been doing.
Let's get to work. So like, let's.
Come on, you guys are behind everybody right now. Okay?
We're getting to it right now.
No, this one's not right. This one's not right. So look, each of 3 volunteers. So 3 people hung up flyers, and she hung up flyers. So how many people hung up flyers?
4.
But how many boxes you have?
3.
It's not right. Look at which one. Look at which one it might be then.
So you're saying this is not this?
No, it's not.
It says 12 right here.
Kenny, listen. Listen. Look at me. Just look at me. 3 people hung up flyers plus Lynn. So how many different people hung up flyers?
3.
Look at me, Kenny. 3 people and Lynn.
4.
4. So I need 4 boxes. But that only has 3. So look, 3 people hung up a certain amount, and Lynn hung up 12.
It's upside
right?
down.
You see? All right, guys. See if you can work a couple. Hey, let's see if we can work a couple out, guys. Did you guys work that one out? Oh, come on. We just did that. You have to do the math part now. We've done everything we can right now. Now you have to do the math. Chanel, look over here. What's the opposite of minus 2? Look, we could draw the line right here. What's the opposite of plus 2?
Minus 2.
So minus 2 it. Go, minus 2. On both sides, remember. Got to do it on both sides. So what happens here? No. Well, we add it, but they end up doing what? When we do opposites, what did I say? They do what? They cancel out. Okay? When we do opposites, they'll cancel out. So what's 27 minus 2?
25.
Right? 25 then. Drop the equals. We didn't touch the equals, right? Drop the equals. Right here, Mariah. Why would that go down there? Yeah, drop it down to here. I mean, we're making an equation. Drop the 5x. We didn't touch the 5x, so drop the 5x too. Okay, now what do we do? Divide by what? That's correct. Divide by what, Chanel? I need the x by itself. What am I going to divide by? 5. Divide by 5. Divide both sides by 5. Mariah, let's hurry up. If I divide this by 5, they cancel out. Remember that. We're doing the opposite. Why? To cancel it out. Okay? So anytime we do the opposite, it'll just get rid of it. So what do I have to do to the other side, Mariah? What do I have to do to the other side? If I divide this side by 5, what do I have to do to the other side? Please divide that by 5 then. Okay? Remember, guys, the opposites are always to cancel it out. Okay? So it disappears. Okay? So this solution is what? Do we have it? So where's that go? Under which one? Look, under which one? Guys, I can't even look. You only need eyes at this point. We don't need, right? What was that one? We just did the math. So we just need to put it under the right spot. Okay? Please work the other two out. Please work the other ones out to see if we can figure it out.
here or here?
Move here. No, that one goes there.
No, it's on this one.
Yeah, that one goes there. Look. Look, you just did it.
Yeah, I was just wondering.
You did it perfect. It's right there. Right? Hey guys, we have like 2 minutes. We have 2 minutes. Hey, we're going to have to round it out. You guys.
Ian!
Come on. How far do you guys get? So we're good there. Then what do you get for 18? 3x? Good. So that one's correct for 18. Okay. Hey, can you please put those cards back together for me?
Did we get the closest being done?
Hey, please put those cards and put it back on that paper clip for me.
Wait, where are we from? Oh.
Please give them back to me.